Today I'm going to show you how to fix the most wonderful ever chicken thighs in your air fryer. It's a lot of fun, it's easy, it tastes wonderful, so let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to start with our chicken thighs. I'm using 6 of those. Leave the skin on them and be sure and trim off any excess skin though. You're going to need some olive oil, and this little container here is a little squirt bottle for that olive oil. It's fantastic. I will leave the link for that below the video. You need some salt and some lemon pepper. Some chicken seasoning. I like to use this Salt Lick chicken seasoning. I'll leave you a link for that also below the video. A little bit of onion powder, some Italian seasoning, and then some paprika. Now the bottom side of the chicken thighs have all been seasoned, and now we're going to flip these over and do the top side. Put on the oil, and then we're going to rub that in really, really good. Just a little bit of salt and put on each one. Now I put on a little bit of lemon pepper on each one and rub that in. Now my favorite seasoning of all of these is that Salt Lick chicken seasoning. So I put quite a bit of this. I'll take a little bit of your onion powder. Now your Italian seasoning, put just a little bit of that across the top of all of them. We're going to top this off now with your paprika. And now we are all ready to go to the air fryer. Our chicken thighs are all ready to go into the air fryer. We're going to be using 2 trays, 3 on each tray, and we're going to put them skin side down. We're all in place and ready to go. We're going to turn on the air fryer. And we're going to let this go. We're going to punch chicken right here, and we're going to let this go for about 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to check it and see how we're doing. We've been going for about 15 minutes, and we're going to stop the air fryer. We're going to open it, see how the chicken thighs are doing, and we're going to flip them over. So here we are. They are looking good. We're going to flip them and put them back in for about another 15 minutes and then check them. We've been going for about another 15 minutes, so we're going to now check on the chicken and see how they're doing. Probably at least 10 minutes, maybe 15. Okay, I think we're doing good. Let's take out the chicken thighs. Our chicken thighs look great and they smell wonderful. Be sure and check out the next video that pops up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.